Thousands of cruisers every year get their bags searched and items taken away, costing them money, time, and vacation vibes. But these 10 clever workarounds for 2026 will help you sail smarter and avoid the naughty table drama entirely. All right, let's dive right in with a countdown of the 10 things cruise lines in 2026 are quietly tightening the rules on. These are the hacks and items they hope stay secret so you don't try to sneak them past security. Number 10 down to number 1. Let's go. Number 10. Portable Bluetooth speakers. First up at number 10, your favorite portable Bluetooth speaker. You know, the one you blast by the pool at home? Cruise lines like Carnival and Royal Caribbean are now banning or heavily restricting personal speakers in public areas because they disturb other guests and turn the ship into a floating nightclub. The hack? Use the ship's built-in sound systems or bone conduction headphones instead. Keep the party in your ears only. Number 9. Travel steamers or clothes irons. Number 9, that handy travel steamer or clothes iron. Almost every major line, Royal Caribbean, Carnival, Norwegian, still bans them because they're massive fire hazards in small cabins. The secret hack everyone's whispering about? Pack wrinkle release spray, hang your clothes in the steamy bathroom while you shower, or pay the affordable ship laundry service. Your formal night outfit will thank you. Number 8. Surge protectors and extension cords. At number 8, power surge protectors and regular extension cords. Ships have sensitive electrical systems, and these can cause overloads or even fires. The 2026 workaround? Bring a cruise-approved power strip without surge protection, check your specific line's rules, or just pack extra-long charging cables. Charge smarter, not harder. Number 7. Smart glasses, like Google Glass or Meta Ray-Bans. Number 7 is blowing up in 2026, smart glasses that record video or audio. Royal Caribbean just added restrictions. You can't wear them in the casino, restrooms, kids' areas, or medical spots because of privacy and security concerns. The hack? Leave the recording features off or just use regular sunglasses. Your eyes don't need to be cameras on vacation. Number 6. Drones. Coming in at number 6, your drone for those epic aerial shots. Drones are banned across nearly all lines due to safety risks around the ship, interference with navigation, and port regulations. The insider tip? Capture stunning views with your phone's stabilizer mode or book a professional drone tour at ports instead. Number 5. Extra alcohol beyond allowed limits. Number 5. Sneaking extra booze. Most lines allow 1 bottle of wine or champagne per adult, but anything more, especially liquor or beer, gets confiscated. The hack people still try? Creative hiding spots. But honestly, just buy the drink package or enjoy the ship's bars. It's not worth the walk of shame to the security table. Number 4. CBD products or marijuana items. At number 4, CBD gummies, oils, vapes, or any cannabis-related products. Even where it's legal on land, cruise ships operate under maritime law and federal rules. They're strictly banned and can get you in serious trouble. The smart move? Leave them at home or check local port laws carefully if you're tempted. Your relaxation can come from the ocean views instead. Number 3. Candles, incense, or any open flame items. Number 3. Candles, incense, or wax warmers. Fire is the biggest fear at sea, so these are universally prohibited. The clever alternative? Use battery-operated LED flameless candles or essential oil diffusers. If your line allows small non-heating ones, set the mood without setting off alarms. Number 2. Sharp objects and tools beyond small personal items. Number 2. Anything sharp like large scissors, knives, tools, or even some sporting gear. They're seen as potential weapons or safety risks. The hack? Pack only approved small nail clippers or cuticle scissors and leave the multi-tool at home. Cruise security scanners are getting stricter every year. Number 1. Unauthorized transmitting devices, ham radios, baby monitors, Wi-Fi routers. And the number 1 cruise hack they hope you never discover in 2026, bringing transmitting devices like ham radios, certain baby monitors, or personal Wi-Fi routers. These can interfere with the ship's communication systems, so lines are cracking down hard. The ultimate workaround? Rely on the ship's Wi-Fi, buy the package if needed, and use the provided baby monitoring services or apps that don't transmit externally. Stay connected safely. Phew, there you have it. From speakers to smart glasses, these 10 items and hacks are getting more scrutiny than ever in 2026.